You ever look in the mirror and think, wow, my face looks like it needs a software update? Like the cheeks are buffering and the under eyes are in low battery mode? Yeah, same. So if you've been searching for a product that claims to plump your skin and make your face look more alive, today we're reviewing the Ordinary Volufiline 92% Plus Pal-Isoleucine 1% Serum. And I'll tell you straight up if it's worth adding to your routine, or if it's just another skincare fairy tale. Now first, what is this product actually for? This is a targeted plumping serum, meaning it's designed to help with areas that show volume loss like under the eyes, cheeks, smile lines, and basically anywhere your face looks a little flattened. And what makes it special is the main ingredient, 92% Volufiline. Volufiline is known for giving the skin a visibly fuller, plumper look. Not like instant filler injection, okay? But more like your skin looks more cushioned and hydrated over time. Then it also includes palmitoyl isoleucine, 1%, which supports the skin structure to help maintain that naturally plump look. Now, let's talk texture and use. This serum is anhydrous, meaning no water. It feels more like a light oil serum. So if you hate sticky products, good news. It's smooth, it spreads easily, and it doesn't feel heavy. But yes, it can feel a bit oily. How I used it. I applied a small amount after moisturizer, directly on the areas I wanted to plump, under eyes and smile lines. Results? In the first few days, don't expect magic. But after consistent use, I noticed my skin looked more hydrated and slightly fuller, especially under the eyes. Like I actually slept 8 hours, which is a lie, but we love the illusion. But here's the honest part. This is not for everyone. If you have very oily or acne-prone skin, you might not love the feel. And if you're expecting face gains overnight, you'll be disappointed. Final verdict? If your goal is subtle plumping, better skin density, and improving the look of volume loss, this is a solid option. Not a miracle, but definitely not a scam. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.